Did you know that a simple act could unlock the flow of money and prosperity into your life? In this video, we explore a small yet powerful ritual inspired by ancient Buddhist teachings. This practice not only cleanses negative energies but also paves the way for abundance and new opportunities. What you'll learn: the deeper meaning of water and ingredients in this ritual. Step-by-step instructions to perform this special hand-washing ritual to attract wealth. Real-life stories demonstrating the power of this practice. Buddhist lessons on an abundance mindset and how to apply them in your daily life. Message: true prosperity lies not just in outward actions but in clarity of mindset and energy. Join us as we discover how to transform both internally and externally, bringing wealth and peace into your life. Have you ever wondered if a simple act could unlock the flow of money and prosperity into your life? Imagine washing your hands with specially prepared water, just a small yet powerful ritual inspired by ancient Buddhist teachings. Could this be the key to a life of abundance? Stay with me as we explore how this time-honored practice can transform not just your finances but also your mindset and energy. Are you ready to take the first step towards financial freedom? Let's begin. Understanding the power of rituals in Buddhist philosophy. Buddhist teachings have always placed emphasis on the interconnectedness of mind, body, and the universe. The hand-washing ritual, though simple, embodies this profound principle. It is not just a physical act but a spiritual practice that clears the energetic pathways within and around us. This alignment is essential for attracting abundance not merely in the form of material wealth, but also opportunities, peace, and contentment. When we approach rituals with intentionality, we are not engaging in superstition but in a deliberate recalibration of our energy. This practice encourages us to focus on cleansing negativity and welcoming prosperity. The transformative power of this ritual lies in the intention and mindfulness it fosters, acting as a bridge between spiritual clarity and tangible abundance. The symbolism of water, flowing toward prosperity. Water, in Buddhist rituals, holds a sacred place as a symbol of purity and renewal. It represents the flow of life and energy, carrying away impurities while nurturing growth. When used in this ritual, water is more than a cleansing agent, it is a conduit for the energies of transformation. Visualize water as a river of prosperity flowing into your life. When you immerse your hands, imagine negative energies dissolving and opportunities rushing toward you. This is not mere imagination, it is the power of intention at work. The fluidity of water mirrors the dynamic, ever-changing nature of the universe, reminding us to stay open to new possibilities. The ingredients, tools for transformation. Each ingredient in this ritual has been carefully chosen, drawing from Buddhist and ancient spiritual practices to create a powerful energetic synergy. 1. Salt, the cleanser of energies. Salt, universally known for its purification properties, neutralizes negative vibrations. By dissolving salt into water, you symbolically wash away obstacles that hinder prosperity. As you do this, visualize barriers breaking apart, leaving a clean slate for positive energy. 2. Cinnamon, the catalyst of attraction. Cinnamon, with its warm, rich aroma, has long been associated with abundance and good fortune. Adding it to the water amplifies its energetic pull, making you a magnet for opportunities. As you stir it in, imagine financial doors opening and wealth flowing toward you effortlessly. 3. Bay leaf, the herald of success. Bay leaves have been symbols of victory since ancient times. In this ritual, they represent triumph over financial challenges. When placing a bay leaf into the water, visualize your goals being crowned with success, and your efforts bearing fruitful results. 4. Coin, the anchor of material wealth. The coin is a direct representation of money. By immersing it in the water, you ground your intentions in the material world. This step bridges the gap between spiritual energy and physical reality. As you add the coin, imagine wealth manifesting in your hands, real and tangible. Visualization and affirmations, energizing your intentions. Visualization is the thread that ties this ritual together. As you perform each step, your thoughts should be as clear and intentional as your actions. Imagine prosperity as a golden light enveloping you, erasing doubts, and filling you with confidence. Affirmations like "I attract abundance effortlessly" or "wealth flows to me in harmony with the universe" are not just words. They are commands to your subconscious mind, reinforcing the energy you're channeling. Real-life inspiration, May's transformation. Let's ground this ritual in a real-life story. May, a young woman burdened by financial struggles, discovered this practice through Buddhist teachings. She started incorporating the hand-washing ritual into her daily routine, pairing it with gratitude and proactive efforts to improve her circumstances. At first, the changes were subtle: a small freelance project, a kind gesture from a colleague. But as she maintained her practice and shifted her mindset, larger opportunities emerged. Within 6 months, May had cleared her debts, secured a better paying job, and even started a small side business. Her story demonstrates the power of aligning spiritual practices with lessons from Buddhism. Abundance as a mindset. Buddhism teaches that abundance is not an external state but a reflection of our inner clarity and alignment. Scarcity, often a product of fear and conditioning, blocks the flow of energy. By releasing these limiting beliefs, we open ourselves to the universe's infinite potential. This ritual is a tool, but it must be supported by a mindset shift. Begin replacing thoughts like "money is hard to come by" with affirmations such as "I am worthy of financial success." Recognize that abundance is a state of being, not just a number in your bank account. The ritual in practice, a step-by-step guide. 1. Prepare warm water. Heat a small bowl of water to symbolize the activation of energy. As the water warms, visualize your financial energy awakening. 2. Add salt. Slowly pour in a spoonful of salt, imagining it dissolving any barriers or negativity in your life. 3. Mix in cinnamon. Sprinkle cinnamon into the water, inhaling its aroma and picturing opportunities rushing toward you. 4. Add the bay leaf. Gently place the bay leaf in the water, visualizing your goals surrounded by an aura of success and protection. 5. Submerge a coin. Finally, drop a coin into the mixture, anchoring your intention to manifest material wealth. Immerse your hands in the prepared water. Slowly wash your palms and fingers, feeling the warmth and energy surround you. Focus on affirmations and visualizations of abundance. Let the ritual cleanse not just your hands but your spirit, leaving you renewed and ready to taking the practice beyond the ritual. This ritual serves as a starting point, a way to set your energy in motion. True transformation requires consistent effort. Begin by organizing your finances, identifying opportunities, and practicing gratitude daily. Remember, abundance flows to those who act with clarity and determination. When paired with mindful decisions and purposeful actions, this hand-washing ritual becomes a powerful catalyst for prosperity. Let it be a reminder that you are the master of your destiny, and the universe responds to your intention. And prosperity is a journey, not a destination. This ritual is a tool, a gateway to align your energy and mindset with the flow of abundance. But the real power lies within you. Reflect on your financial goals, act with clarity, and cultivate gratitude for the wealth already in your life. Thank you for joining me today on this journey. If you found this insightful, subscribe to Wisdom in Buddhism for more teachings and practices that inspire growth and transformation. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these teachings. And remember, abundance is already within you, waiting to manifest. See you in the next